Take a deep breath today. We will learn to let go. Take a deep breath in. Slowly and gradually breathe out. Take another long deep breath in. Hold it for 10 seconds. And slowly and gradually, taking your own time, breathe out. Again, inhale. And just let it go. I want you to focus your next 10 minutes only on letting go. Letting go of every emotion, every situation that you are withholding. We always have a choice whether to hold on or to let go of the resentment. Let go of the past. Let go of any negative memory that you're still holding on. Now think of all the emotions, the situations, and the people who have caused you some harm, who have hurt you, and you're not able to forgive them. Keep thinking. It can be any situation, it can be any person. Somehow you're not able to forgive. Keep thinking. People, loved ones, and friends make mistakes. You can get through any negative emotion, hurt, betrayal, abandonment. Allow the many different feelings you have run their course. You may have forget the experience, but you need to dissolve the current anger, hurt, and resentment today. The more you forgive, the more you raise your frequency. Any problem or any situation that you're still holding on is only diluting your energy. You can get through any breakup, any trust issue, just by forgiving. You can heal and have honest and intimate relationship again. Just be gentle with yourself, be patient with yourself. When challenges arise, when someone wrongs you, your duty is to forgive, not to punish. Nothing good comes from a spirit of hurt and revenge. The choice is yours. True forgiveness occurs only when you treat the subject as a closed matter. Think of the words that you're holding on are still hurting you. Situations that are making you uncomfortable. memories which you are not able to let go. And as you're thinking about it, keep dissolving, keep forgiving completely, giving your 100%. You can forgive others and most importantly, forgive yourself as you breathe in and breathe out. Remember, we can't change events. We can't change events. But what we can change is how we feel about it. It is your choice. When you change the meaning of the event, you give powerful meaning. And then it no longer hurts you, no longer bothers you. Reinvent yourself the first time you forgive. And with each breath that you're taking, your ability to forgive is getting deeper and deeper. And with every breath, you're forgiving more and more. You're forgiving everyone, you're forgiving yourself. And you are radiating the energy of gratitude. In order to be happy and peaceful, forgive the past. Feel so good about the present and excited about the future. To give a new face to your future, it is very important that you forgive any past, any memory, any situation that you're holding on right now. Say this to yourself: I am forgiving. I am compassionate. I am in gratitude. Repeat once again. I am forgiving. I am compassionate. I am in gratitude. I am forgiving, and I forgive everyone who hurt me. It is not for them, it is for me. I do not let anything imbalance my inner peace. I have beautiful heart to forgive, to have compassion for everyone, to have compassion for myself. Today, I make a choice. I forgive everyone who have hurt me since my childhood. The more you forgive, the more you come at peace. You have a beautiful ability to forgive anything in anyone. You forgive because your present is your future is wonderful. You are forgiving and you are moving on every day powerfully. Every time you forgive, you let go of negative emotions. Grant yourself comfort and peace. Forgiveness gives you a clean start. Start healing your wounds. You are a positive spirit now. You have to accept others, flaws, and everything. So let go, move on, get peaceful, and give the gift of forgiveness. Keep giving the gift of forgiveness. Do not let the past pollute your beautiful present, an amazing future that is waiting for you. From now, make a promise. Every day you will forgive. You will vibrate at the frequency of forgiveness. Every day you will forgive, and you will vibrate at the frequency of forgiveness, giving the gift of forgiveness to everyone, including yourself. Just be with yourself for another 2 minutes. Get aware of the surrounding. Get aware of yourself, of your body. And with the feeling of compassion, taking your own time whenever you feel complete, you may open your eyes.